Transferring Bitcoin from Binance to Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, ensure you have a Binance account and a Revolut account, both of which are set up and verified. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Wallet section, where you can view your available balances. Click on the Bitcoin section and then click on Withdraw. You will be prompted to enter the recipient address, which is the address of your Revolut Bitcoin wallet. To find your Revolut Bitcoin wallet address, log into your Revolut account and navigate to the cryptocurrency section. Click on Bitcoin and then click on the Add Cash button, followed by the Withdraw button. You will see your unique Bitcoin wallet address, which you can copy and paste into the recipient address field on Binance. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to transfer and select the appropriate network fee. It is essential to note that the network fee is a charge imposed by the blockchain network for processing transactions, and it is usually a small fraction of the transaction amount. After entering the recipient address and the amount, review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct. If you are satisfied, click on Submit to initiate the transfer. The transfer may take some time to process, depending on the blockchain network congestion and the speed of the transaction. Once the transfer is complete, you can view your updated Bitcoin balance in your Revolut account. It is essential to note that Revolut may impose certain restrictions or fees on cryptocurrency transactions, so it is crucial to review their terms and conditions before transferring Bitcoin. In conclusion, transferring Bitcoin from Binance to Revolut is a simple and efficient process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure a safe and successful transfer of your Bitcoin. Always prioritize security and review the terms and conditions of both Binance and Revolut before initiating any transactions.